Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna be.
Welcome back to Locked In with Ty, your ultimate destination for all things locks, lifestyle, and wellness, and beauty, whatever, and all that extra stuff. It's the length for me. Length check. It is January 17th, 2024. Oh, you see him? You see him. Don't like you don't see him, because you see him. You see him. Coming to the club, shaking my dress. I am so cute. Like, I should get paid to be cute. Actually, I do get paid to get cute. Let me rephrase that, because we manifesting. I get paid to be cute and play dress up and do my hair. Like, I'm just a girl. Like, I get paid to get cute. Literally just a girl. Anyways. This is the first length check of the year. And my babies is growing, okay? They're growing. They're growing. They really are. Like, I just woke up one day and it was like, and I don't have no complaints. I don't have no complaints other than a little bit of thinning, but it's okay, because that's okay. We just use the crochet needle and we gonna fix it, okay? That's all. Actually, I'm gonna do a whole nother video on like complaints about locks. Me personally, my complaints when it comes to having locks. Today, I'm gonna show you a few of my favorite Bantu lock styles, because they're cute. So, number one is get you some rubber bands, for sure. Number two, always moisturize. Always. Okay? We don't want no dry locks. Thirsty locks. The first hairstyle is like a Bantu crown. So normally I would section off just the front part. Let me see. And I do like 2 rows. But my locks aren't like parted correctly, so not correctly, but they aren't parted even. So just do the best you can. Put the back in a ponytail right quick. Grab your rubber band. And then I usually do, I think, like 5. So let's see. Let's do 1 here. Put the rubber band on. And then I usually just twist it until it like creates a spiral. And then I grab another rubber band. You don't have to use 2 rubber bands, but I like to use 2 just to kind of like keep my new growth in place. Because I actually don't like rubber bands at all. So like I rarely wear hairstyles with rubber bands, but it's so cute. Just wrap it around like that and then go on to number 2. Like, it's so cute. You can put some jewels on and decorate. I can't really see because I'm like recording, but you get the gist. You get the gist. Style number 2 is like a mohawk, I guess, like a Bantu mohawk. Now I can't see back here, so I'm just gonna guesstimate how many locks I should have down here in the back. That feels about right. Okay, so you basically are gonna put this into 3 sections. So make sure you have 3 scrunchies. So there's 1 in the back, and then get some in the middle. Make sure. And then I think I want the top to be like really at the top, so if that makes sense. And then put another ponytail like that. And then the last ponytail is gonna be in the front. So you should have 3 ponytails. Other style is as seen on Rihanna. I have another video on this. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe, and see you next. I don't know, I just keep posting whenever. See you next time. Mwah.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days.